Alright guys, so this is why you need a tow hook for your Coca-Cola. No, okay. What is going on, guys? Cargeeks here with another video, and thank you guys for coming to visit my channel again. What I'm gonna be doing is installing the BMW lights on the ground. So I have them right here actually, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. It is Shadowlight 3D. If you guys want to find these lights, it's gonna be below, link in description. So let's gander on over here. Alright, so as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of stuff to my car. I did all my other lights and stuff. You know, let's go to the other side. This part's really messy. I wouldn't believe you need any tools for this job, but if you guys happen to have, or if you guys cannot get out the light that's in here, what you can do is use a screwdriver and pop it out. But here you go. So take the light out, or actually you don't need to take the light out, that's already in here. What you need to do is unplug this. All right, so what you guys can do is unplug this. Now, I haven't opened this yet, but we are gonna open this. Yeah, it's cool, right? All right, so it looks here to be like this is the magnifying glass, or somewhat not this. And I believe because there's two prongs here and there's two on here that you have to plug this part into here. I'm just assuming. Oh! That's pretty cool. Oh, I think it's backward. This might be the left one. Hold on. Do you think it says? See on the floor how it's backward? Like the BMW sign is, the BMW is facing that way. I don't believe. Oh, there you go. See how the BMW is facing that way? Mm-hmm. I don't believe that's the correct way. So just check out the other light. See if that one is better. I don't know. Anyway, let's just plug it in for now. I don't know why they're both facing the same way.
Maybe you could just put it in differently.
Oh, look at that. No, it's working. Do you guys see it on my hand right there? Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side, and I would say maybe just like put this piece back in here so you can save it, just so you don't lose it or anything. But you guys can't shut these lights off when you're opening or taking them out, I should say, because your door's open, so there's no way of shutting them off while you're doing this. I don't believe there's a certain way you can plug them in, but and there we go. So now we're just gonna wait till it's nighttime. Reaching the limits for the picture. Alright guys, so we just finished we finished it before, but we had to go get gas. Well, I had to get gas, and we had to wait for it to get dark out. So now this is what it looks like. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah. How sick is that? And now we got all the red lights in here, so it's looking really cool. Oh wait, that's locked. Hold on. Epic fail. And we got the wood flooring, guys. We got the wood flooring. And then we also have the trunk. I don't know if you guys saw this, but oh, look how clean this is, yo. Ooh, it looks so good. And I got a white LED light, so now it's all lit up real nice and nicey. Nice, right? Yeah, okay. All right. So yeah, this is like my car, and the little things. That's what counts, guys.
Adding up.
It's the little things. It's the little things. So really cool. It's on both sides, of course, because I showed you how to do it. And yeah, I mean, it's like crispy, like it's clear as can be. It's so sharp, like it's not blurry at all. Like that's why it looks so good. Look how clear it looks, and it's only bigger here because the ground is off, like it's slanting down, so you guys could see it in my hand right there, and then there it goes. Super cool, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I want you guys to tell me down below in the comments what do-it-yourself videos or anything that you guys want to see realistic, like that you want me to do to this car. So definitely go comment right now, drop a like for this sick logo, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.
Like, subscribe, and put on the notification bell. Yeah!
Thank you guys for watching.